Do you want to be able to space out your Instagram bio similar to what I have done in here? As you can see, I've basically added a space between the follow us and the hi, as you can see. So if you want to be able to do the exact same thing without it showing, basically, without it showing anything on the space below right here, well then keep watching, because I'm going to demonstrate exactly what you need to do. So actually what you're going to do is to go into your like Google, basically. So go into Google, then search for empty space copy paste. So search for empty space copy paste, because then you should be taken to this page. Scroll down and choose this result right here. Now scroll all the way down in here. Don't click on method number 1. Unfortunately, it doesn't work for some reason. So we're going to scroll down and click on method 2. You're going to just select the text in here. So just double click, click on copy. Now you have copied the empty space. Now go back into your Instagram. Now click on edit profile, go into your bio. Then what you're going to do, I'm going to demonstrate what you're going to do. I'm going to come back to, go back to here, as you can see. Now click on return, click on paste again, then click on return. Now you should have this two like empty space. Now click on hi, and then you can click on done in the top right corner, and then you will be able to spice your Instagram bio like out, basically. So this is exactly how to do this.